Hey friends, welcome back in BIMWALA.com. I'm Parvez Khan, and in today's video, I'll be talking about if you are serious about your BIM career, you wanna kickstart your BIM career, or you want to make a successful career in your BIM journey, then what are the softwares you should know? You must know about them. Okay, you should master on those software skills. Okay, what are those softwares? Let me share my screen and I'll tell you one by one. Okay, I hope my screen is visible and now you can see my screen, right? So the very first software I would recommend is Revit. This is the king for 3D modeling for concrete structures. Okay, second software which I would recommend is, of course, you know, Navisworks. Okay, why? Because this is a perfect solution for classes identification and detection and rectification. Okay, 5D 4D analysis and simulation tool. Apart from them, Civil 3D, okay, one of the most in demand software nowadays. Why? Civil engineering design and construction documentation. We can perform civil engineering designs and documentation in this versatile software, very compelling software for infrastructure project. Specifically, I'm talking about. Not only this, if you want, if you do like business development activities and you want to prepare proposals bids in the feasibility stage of your projects, then InfraWorks is a very good software. You can do geospatial and engineering BIM platform for planning, design, and analysis. Again, this is also a good software. You can make storyboards and animations in that. About these are very useful softwares from Autodesk. Now apart from them, we have one good software from Bexel Consulting. Okay, this is Bexel Manager. So they claim that single source of truth, smart automation, knowledge management, interactive dashboards you can prepare here. Okay, and they said like BIM management, the integrated ecosystem. Okay, for the most powerful BIM project management. Bexel Manager is again a good software. I have worked on this. This is very beautiful, and you can do all stuff in one umbrella itself. You can do clash detection. You can do 4D, 5D simulation. You can generate crash reports. Okay, apart from modeling, you can do quantification, QTO based, and all. Okay, this is again really good software. So you should master these softwares. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.